In this demo, we're building a clean and responsive time picker using Jetpack Compose Multiplatform. The component uses TimePickerState to track hour and minute selections, and the layout follows Material 3 guidelines for modern styling. It works great with both 12-hour and 24-hour formats, and it's fully cross-platform, ideal for mobile and desktop apps. Let's explore how it all comes together. Introducing the Time Picker component. We're using Jetpack Compose Multiplatform and Material 3 to build a modern, responsive time selection UI. It supports both 12-hour and 24-hour formats and runs smoothly across all platforms. In our UI, we use a card component with padding and rounded corners for structure. Inside, we include a title and a button. When the button is clicked, we show the Time Picker dialog by updating the Show Dialog state. The dialog uses a card with a title and a vertical time picker. Below it, we provide Cancel and OK buttons to either dismiss the dialog or confirm the chosen time. After selecting a time, we store the formatted value using a helper function. It supports both 24-hour and AM/PM formats. We then display the selected time right under the button for clear feedback. Step 1. State setup. First, we define our state. We use Show Dialog to toggle the visibility of the time picker and selected time to store the user's selection. We also prepare the time picker state using Remember Time Picker State and set is 24-hour to false for an AM/PM format. Step 2. Card layout. Next, we create a card container that holds our UI elements. It's styled with padding, rounded corners, and a light border for a clean material look. Step 3. Title. Inside the card, we add a title using the Material Title Large typography. This helps define the section clearly. Step 4. Description. Below the title, we include a short description to guide the user to select a time by clicking the button. Step 5. Button to open picker. We then add a select time button aligned to the right. When clicked, it sets Show Dialog to true, which triggers our time picker dialog. Step 6. Show selected time. If the user has selected a time, we show it just below the button with a label that says selected, followed by the chosen time. Step 7. Show time picker dialog. When Show Dialog is true, we show a material style dialog. Inside it, there's a vertical time picker and action buttons to confirm or cancel the selection. Step 8. Dialog component. This component is called Show Time Picker Dialog. It receives the picker state, a title, and the confirm and dismiss callbacks. It contains the picker and two buttons, Cancel and OK. Step 9. Format time. Finally, we format the selected time. If we're using 24-hour format, we display something like 14:30. Otherwise, we convert it to AM or PM format, like 2:30 PM.